Hello students, welcome to your Destiny JEET and I am your mentor RATNESH sir. Today we are going to study the second part of matrices, in which we will be studying multiplication of matrices. But before going to the actual solution of problems, we have to know some conditions which are required for the compatibility of matrices for multiplication or product. These conditions are given on a screen and I am going to read them out. Two matrices A and B are said to be compatible or conformable for the product AB if and only if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B, and if the order of A is m into n and B is n into p, then the product AB, or you can say even C, is of the order m into p. It is of the order m into p. It is defined in this form. Now, where the ikth element of AB, or the product of A and B, is equal to the sum of the products of the elements in the ith row of A with the corresponding elements of the kth row of B. Now, for this I will give you an example which will clarify the point. Let us see two matrices A and B. I am taking A as these elements in it, and B we are multiplying with B, which has the elements 4, 7, and we see that the columns, these are the columns of A and these are the rows of B. 2 columns, 2 rows, and hence they are compatible for product. Let us see how we'll multiply them. First of all, for this what we'll do, first we'll take 3 into 4, then plus 5 into 7. Okay, next we'll come with this row where it is minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7. Ultimately we get 47, 10, and this is the answer we get for this product. Hence we have understood how to multiply matrices. Next we go to some remarks which you should know. Number 1, multiplication of matrices is associative, that is A, B and C are matrices conformable for multiplication. If they are conformable, then only you will have this equal to this, means bracket A B into C is equal to A bracket B C. They are associative if they are conformable, means if they have this condition fulfilled. Second is multiplication of matrices is distributive with respect to addition, that is A, B, C are matrices conformable for the requisite multiplication and addition. If you see in this form, that A bracket B plus C, here A multiply B addition C will become AB plus AC, and it can be like this also, bracket A plus B into C will give you AC plus BC. These are the conditions which we should know before your multiplication starts. Now here you have to remember that multiplication of matrices is not commutative. It is not commutative. Is it clear? Now we start solving the problems. Let's see the first problem. If A is this, B is this and C is this, show that AB is equal to AC. Let's do the solution. AB is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 5, 3, 3 is equal to 1 into 4 plus minus 1 into 3, 1 into 5 plus minus 1 into 3, 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into 3 and 2.5 plus minus 2 into 3 will give you what? We have to do the additions and subtractions, and finally you will get 1, 2, 2, 4. And this is the answer for AB. Now let's see AC. AC we get 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 5 is equal to 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1, 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 5. Then we have 2 into 2 plus minus 2 into 1 and 2 into 7, 2 into 7 plus minus 2 into 5, and we get the answer 1, 2, 2, 4. Hence we prove that AB is equal to AC. Now from this above result, what we get? We see that the cancellation law for multiplication of matrices may not hold true. That is, here we see that AB is equal to AC, but it may not imply that B is equal to C, and when A is not equal to 0. So we cannot say that B and C are equal because A into B and A into C is equal and A is same for both the sections. We cannot say B is equal to C. Hence, cancellation law of multiplication of matrices may not hold true always. Hold true. Okay. Now let's start the second question. What it says: find x and y if this into this is equal to this. Now for this, what we do? First we multiply the matrices as usual. Let us multiply first. What we get? X into 2 plus 3x into 1, y into 2 plus 4y into 1 will be equal to 5, 12. This will give you, do this simplification, you'll get 5x, 6y, and then you get 5, 12, and hence we get 5x is equal to 5, and from that we get that x is equal to 1, whereas 6y is equal to 12. We get y is equal to 2, and hence we get our answer. Next question. If a is equal to this, find the value of a square minus 5a plus 7i, where I is unit matrix of order 2. Let us see this question. A square is equal to, what can we write? A into a, it gives you what? 3, 1, minus 1, 2, again 3, 1, minus 1, 2. This will give you 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1, and we get next 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. This here we'll get minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Here we'll get minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. And finally we'll get 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Now let us solve the needed expression. A square plus minus 5a plus 7i. What we get? We have got a square now. 8, 5, minus 5, 3 plus minus 5 into a, that is 3, 1, minus 1, 2 plus 7i. I is unit matrix of order 2. This is the unit matrix of order 2. From here what do we get? We get 8, 5, minus 5, 3 plus minus 15, minus 5, 5 minus 10 plus 7, 0, 7, 7. And that comes to what? 8 minus 15 plus 7, 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 plus 5 plus 0, 3 plus minus 10 plus 7, and finally we get 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we can say it is a zero matrix. Okay. Now let us solve this question. Given if this A is this and B is this, you have to find this solution and solve the solution and find the matrix C, whose order is 2 into 2. Let's start. A square is equal to 1, 3, 3, 4. Again 1, 3, 3, 4. And finally we get what? 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3, 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4, and we get 10, 15, 15, 25. Similarly, we find out B square. What do we get? Minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2, and we get what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Now given what? That A square minus 5B square is equal to 5C. Then we can write 5C is equal to A square. Already we have found out A square. It is 10, 15, 15, 25. And then we have minus 5 into B square. What is B square? 1, 0, 0, 1. We simplify it. What we get? We get 10, 15, 15, 25 minus 5, 0, 0, 5. And finally what we get by subtracting? 10 minus 5, 15 minus 0, 15 minus 0, and 25 minus 5. So we get 5c is equal to 5, 15, 15, 20. Hence c is equal to 1 upon 5 into 5, 15, 15, 20, which gives you 1, 3, 3, 4, which is of the order 2 into 2. Okay. Now we start the last question for the day. What is given in this question? Matrix A is equal to this, B is equal to this. We have to solve AX is equal to B and find matrix X. First of all, we have to find the value of sine 30, which is equal to half, and cos 0, which is equal to 1. From this we get matrix A is equal to 4 into half, 1, 1, 4 into half, and we get 2, 1, 1, 2. One thing more here we have to understand, A's order is 2 into 2 and B's order is 2 into 1. Therefore we can find out the order of X, which will be 2 into 1. Let us assume the elements of X. Let it be A and B. Now we solve the equation AX is equal to B. We have A as 2, 1, 1, 2, X as AB equal to B as 4, 5. From this we get 2A plus B, A plus 2B is equal to 4, 5. From this we get two equations, 2A plus B is equal to 4 and A plus 2B is equal to 5. We multiply the second equation by 2 and get 2A plus 4B is equal to 10 and subtract it from the first. Cancel this out, we get minus 3B is equal to minus 6. We get B as 2. We get the value of B as 2. Now we can put this value in this equation where we get 5 minus 2 into 2 gives you 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Hence we get A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Finally we get X is equal to AB, which gives you 1, 2. Two things we come to know. We know the matrix now and also the order of the matrix X. By this we come to the end of our presentation today, and I hope you liked the video and stay tuned with us for more videos like this. Thank you. यदि यह वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले और आप तुरंत इसे देख पाएँ। थैंक यू फॉर स्टेइंग विथ अस।